Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you Instagram पर blue tick कैसे लाए और Instagram पे कैसे verified हुए. So in order to get a blue tick on Instagram, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up your application. So basically Instagram पे verified या blue tick का option. So आपको ये complete profile चाहिए. So ensure that your profile is complete with a profile picture, a detailed bio and accurate contact information. Your bio should clearly state what you are and what your brand represent. After that आपको Instagram का terms and services भी follow करना पड़ेगा. So comply with the Instagram terms and community guidelines. You avoid behaviors that could lead to account ban and suspicions or removal. And instead of your private account, अगर आपको verified होना है तो आपको public account create करना पड़ेगा. After that, make sure कि आपके पास enough followers and following है. So after that, apply करना पड़ेगा इस verification के लिए. In order to apply for it, you need to go to your Instagram profile. After that, go to the three lines icon and आपको settings पर click करना पड़ेगा. And scroll down and click on accounts. After that, आपको एक option की दिखाई देगा, वहाँ पर है request verification. So आपको ये click करना पड़ेगा and if you meet all of the eligibility such as all of these information, आपको ये fill up करना है and then you have to submit. After that you have to submit and all you have to do is wait patiently until you get response. So ऐसे आपको Instagram पे verified मिलेगा. So that is basically how you can get a blue tick on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.